Did you know there's a bird with the largest wingspan in North America? But what makes this bird so special, aside from its massive size? Meet the California condor. It can have a wingspan up to 10 feet. Not only can they live for up to 60 years, but they soar high. They can reach altitudes of 15,000 feet. Isn't that amazing? Want to discover more fascinating facts about the animal kingdom? Hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Here's another cool fact. These condors can soar for hours. They use air currents to glide effortlessly across the sky. Talk about mastering the art of flight. Isn't nature incredible?